Aloha, everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of InHomeComputerHelp.com. Today, I am going to stop husbands and wives from arguing. Okay, not completely. Sorry. Uh, what I'm going to show you how to do today is create two different profiles in your Google Chrome. Now, as an in-home computer tutor and troubleshooter, when I would set up a client's computer, sometimes I would set up completely different profiles for them in Windows. This was sometimes a little bit confusing for people. Everyone has various degrees of skill level, and I always tell people they should only be comfortable with, what they actually have to do on the computer or what they want to do on the computer, whether it's just checking emails or, you know, debugging a PHP program. Uh, I write a lot of code in PHP, kind of automate things online. But anyway, people shouldn't have to know more, but I'm always setting this up for people because people get into their spouse's emails, or they send an email from their spouse's email and things like that. And there's no need for that. Google Chrome has the ability to have two separate and active profiles. I've got two profiles up right now because I'm going to show you a slideshow. And a little quick trick for you. On my keyboard, I'm going to push Control Shift M to start the present, to switch profiles. Control Shift M, and that'll bring down the menu. Okay, it's supposed to bring down the menu where I can shift profiles, and it didn't do that. Let's just do it this way. There we go. All right. So husbands and wives no longer have to share and can stop arguing. How to have two separate active Google Chrome profiles by J. Richard Kirkham, B.Sc, blah, blah, blah. The most important things you can see there are my phone number to call me for a house call or to text me if you're on the mainland for remote computer help. And there's my websites. Many of my in-home computer tutoring clients use the same profile on their computer. And as I've already told you, that leads to problems with checking Gmail accounts and bookmarks and other types of features that you can customize. Your solution is to create a second profile on Google Chrome itself. Okay, so you start by clicking in the upper right hand corner of Google Chrome. You're either going to see a picture there or you're going to see an initial. So either way, click on that. Okay, you'll see that right there, and you click on add. You see that right there in the bottom? Let me get that share thing out of the way there for you. There you go. You see that arrow right there? Okay, so click on add. Okay, then you're going to go to the get. I'm stuttering today. I'm so sorry. Then you're going to get to this page here. Set up your new Chrome profile. Click on sign in. That's my phone. Okay. Type in your Google account, which is also your Gmail account, and then click on next. Enter your password. Click on next. Now, if you not sure what you typed in, you can click that checkbox that you see right there that says show password. I use that quite a bit myself. Okay, it's going to ask you if you want to turn on sync. I always tell it yes, because that way, whatever computer you sign into, All of your bookmarks and things are still there, and that will also transfer when you use Google Chrome on your cell phone. Okay, so that right there, what I circled, that's editable. You're going to see that pretty soon. Then you can select a color that you want to use. Just use a different color between the profiles, and that way it's real easy to spot whether or not it's your profile. And then, of course, click on Done. Okay, now you're done. A new window was created. Both Google, which is your Gmail accounts, are now active. And there's that share thing in the way again. See if I can move that even more further. There, that's good. Okay, so let's take a look here. Now, switching accounts opens a new window, so your spouse doesn't lose anything. No need to worry about that. And you see right here where I got J. Richard, you can edit this. So you can still edit that profile and rename it something more recognizable so it's different from the other profile. Like, you know, if you both have a similar first name or something like that, you might still confuse it. Okay, little bonus tip. To rename an already created Google Chrome profile, okay, click on that little pencil there, which we're automatically supposed to know means edit. And then you'll get customize your profile, name your profile, and I called it In-Home Computer Help Oahu. Now that's not all going to show, obviously. But rewrite the description or select a new color, then click anywhere in the white area to save it. So like, you know, click anywhere where something's not clickable. And now you've got your new profile named. Okay, so that's it. If you like my teaching style, feel free to download my ebook and use it for a reference, as a lot of people do. The Big Plain English ebook of computer help and tips and troubleshooting. Anyway, there's the website link where you can go and click on that. I'll be sure to put that in the comments section. And speaking of comments, I appreciate any comments that you have on this. The exception to the comments that no one would appreciate is comments like everyone knows this and stuff like that. That's insulting to the people that didn't know that. Everyone has a level of learning, and everyone has a starting point for that level. Some of you younger people learned how to use computers in school using a professional educator such as myself. I'm a dual certified teacher. And some of the senior citizens, I happen to be a senior citizen, learn from professional educators such as myself that went from being a teacher to a computer expert. So anyway, that's the end of my lecture for that. And I did this with Google Slides, and I now help people with Google Slides remotely. Feel free to call the number that you see there. But if you're on the mainland, please text me, because you know, I don't want to get a call at 1 o'clock in the morning or anything. There's some time differences involved. But that's it. That's all there is to doing that. Feel free to replay this video. Feel free to text me. Feel free to hire me. I mean, obviously. Let's go back here so you can see my face. There it is. Anyway, if you have any questions, put them down in comments. And obviously, get a hold of me for senior computer lessons and lessons for small business people, so I can make their computer use more efficient. If I can save you time, I can make you money. So that's it. God bless you. Have a great rest of the day. I don't know if you can hear the rain or not, but it's really raining right hard right now here in Honolulu. Anyway, that's it for today. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Aloha.